de vol. Ouais, vas-y. Mets-toi à l'aise. Merci.
It's very sad what we've just heard. The governments have just said that what's happening all around us, it's not important. They are minimizing the impacts that climate change has in our human rights. Outside the courtroom, they say all the right things about climate emergency. But today, they are denying the reality that what we are experiencing is getting worse and worse.
Though I am shocked by the country's attempt to ignore the evidence that we put in front of them and trivialize the harms that we are facing.
We've put forward very compelling evidence of the impacts that the applicants are facing, of the failures of the governments to take sufficient measures to prevent those impacts. We feel that we got a positive reception from the judges today, and so we're optimistic of a positive outcome. Yet Portugal stood up on behalf of all of the respondent states and claimed that what the applicants have been describing is just a figment of their imagination. And that's gaslighting. And it's part of a wider strategy on the part of the governments to have the case thrown out as inadmissible. And the reason they're doing this is because they've no answer to our claim that it's well within their power to do much, much more, to do their part to protect the rights of the youth applicants, and they're just choosing not to.
Job that I will know that I will do something for the world, I will do something for the planet.
I'm a little more hopeful for my future. Sometimes it's very difficult to say that person that I know 7 years ago, me, when I was 12 years old, that I'll be here today in the court and showing our voices and showing the process, how it's going. And I feel very relieved, and I feel like we have so much solutions in the table, so we have to use them. So it's that why we choose to stay in here and say the government, because the government can do more and more action, a big action. We are not the six, we are the six representing a generation. We are the voices of the generation that wants to live a life that is promised and it's good for everyone.